Uh, Now we have arrived at the fag end of today's prize distribution ceremony, and right now we have the vote of thanks to be delivered by revered Swami Divya Sudhanandaji Maharaj, Principal, Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapith, Devghar.
Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. Once Swami Vivekananda wanted to send one of his brother disciples to the West. The brother disciple told Swamiji, "What will I preach?" Swamiji replied, "You need not preach, you just lead the life." And when we see our very respected, revered Swami Kamalasthanandaji Maharaj, our Shobhan Maharaj, we are reminded of these words. His walking is his preaching. Though very humbly Maharaj told that he cannot deliver speeches, but with the unique way he arrested the attention of the students, we all saw. And we in the order, Sannyasi and Brahmachari Maharajas, do believe that Thakur Ma Swamiji is working through him. Very silent, very humble, but spiritual leadership, what it is called, that we understand very well when we see revered Maharaj's life and works. From a very critical situation, one college was taken to its zenith. And at present, all India rank, NIRF, third as we heard. And in the West Bengal, the first rank beating our RKM colleges also. And again I am telling, from a very critical situation, taking to the zenith. If we know the story, then we can understand that it is the power of Thakur Ma and Swamiji only that is working through our revered Maharaj, that we firmly believe, and we all in the order are very proud of him. He is an inspiration for us who are working in this educational field of Ramakrishna Mission. And you all have observed how accommodative, how down to earth Maharaj is. For long 5.5 hours he is sitting here without taking anything except one glass of water. Yes, I also admit that our planning was not so sound this time. We did not expect that it will take so much time. So next years onwards, we will see that how can this prize distribution ceremony can be remodeled, perhaps in 2 halves, that will be better. But yes, Maharaj, we just offer our humble pranams at your lotus feet from the whole Vidyapith family, that you have taken all the trouble and on a working day to come to Vidyapith. And as you told, I am just hearing your words, and that is very much true to the spirit, that it is just for the love of the students and love for us and love for Vidyapith. Again and again, we offer our devoted, humble pranams to you, Maharaj. And really, our students are inspired. And this day has become special for us. And we seek your guidance, your inspiration always. And it is your sadhana, it is your tapasya that we can see in Rahara Vivekananda Centenary College. And if you just come personal, I always feel that I have some special affection from Maharaj, and I also got the chance to go to Rahara College for one seminar, and now and then Maharaj lovingly just contacts us for something or other, and that is a blessing for us, we believe. And here students are not present, but again if I get chance, then I will say the same thing in their presence, that Maharaj has presented a very sweet treat for all the students, and that will be given to them in some later days in the dining hall. And just sitting there, he just told me that no, students should be given some treats, and that is for Maharaj. So very kind of you, and again, our respect, namaskar, pranam, everything to revered Maharaj. And yes, our chief guest, Sri Ravi Kumar ji, he also spoke very nicely and encouraged the students. I am not going in details. Our Binod Kumarji, DEO sir, he also came, gave time for us. We are very much obliged. And I offer my devoted pranams to the lotus feet of revered Secretary Maharaj. It is Maharaj's silent blessings, if we say, that in every endeavor, he is there always with us, and that is our strength. And he also, you see, sitting here from that 9 o'clock up to this 2:30. So we seek his kind blessings, and we offer our devoted pranams to revered Secretary Maharaj also. And all our sannyasi Maharajas, brahmachari brothers, everyone who are in front, our teachers, staff members who are in front or behind the curtain to make this event successful, we offer our gratitude and namaskar and heartfelt thanks to all of them. But I will fail in my duty if I just not mention two particular names. One is revered Swami Sushananandaji Maharaj, Kailash Maharaj, and the other is our Sri Prashant Mishra sir. So they have worked tirelessly, and just after taking that burden of biennial exhibition, and just we don't have any way otherwise, our calendar does not allow us to shift the program. So within the 7 days, or literally 5 days, they have just done the magic. So I will not extend my speech. Again, I am telling, yes, we will revise that in the next year onwards, this prize distribution ceremony should be remodeled, perhaps in the 2 shifts. And all our associates, all our students, everyone, students are the heroes of today's program. And we seek the blessings of Baba Baidyanath Thakur Ma Swamiji for their welfare, and all of them should come out flying colors in their little life. That is our prayer. Thank you. Namaskar.